and welcome back to my channel Beauty Talks with Ishita. If you are new here, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Also, you can go to my channel and like and comment on the previous video which I have made on hair coloring at home. So make sure to check that out. So today's video is highly requested on my Instagram account on a eyeshadow palette that I own, and I've brought recently from an Instagram seller, and which is currently a very hot topic right now. So let's not waste any time and let's get straight to the topic. So today I'll be talking about the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. I have been asked by so many people to provide the swatches and the review of this palette. I have done so on my Trell channel, so I'll make sure to link my Trell account in the description below. Don't forget to check my Trell account. And I have talked about this palette in Bengali there, so if you are comfortable in Bengali, you can definitely check that channel out. And today I'm talking about it here on my YouTube channel. So this palette cost me $15.50 in American dollars. It is, I think, $13.50. I'll be showing you the palette now. Okay, so as you can see, the palette is a very colorful palette and consists of all the rainbow colors: red, blue, green, yellow, pinks and purples. Yeah, as you can see, I will be showing it to you some of the swatches of some of the colors. So the palette looks like this. The packaging is a very chic and it's normally made up of plastic. Beauty Glazed is not tested on animals. It is a high pigmentation and easy to blend color fusion palette. It consists of all the rainbow colors as it is mentioned on the video. Here is the pan of the eyeshadow palette. You can see the middle row consists of all the shimmer shades of the palette, and rest of the colors are matte. Let me quickly show you the swatches of the shimmer shades first, and then we will gradually go on to swatch the next shades. This is a pink shimmer shade, a red, orange, yellow and green. This is what the shimmer shades look like. These are highly pigmented colors and easy to blend. We will now be taking the blue and the purple shimmer shade to swatch, and here are the swatches of the purple and the blue shimmer shades. As you can see, the colors are highly pigmentable, it is buildable and it is very easy to blend. Next, I'll be swatching the bright colors in the palette like red, yellow, green, pink and purple or light green to show the swatches and the pigmentation of the bright colors. As you can see, the colors are very much pigmented, except for the green one, this is a one finger swatch review of the palette. Next, I will be showing you the pastel color swatches of the palette. To be honest, I haven't even done any look with the pastel colors yet, but these are the first time swatches that I'm showing to you guys, so as to give a one-on-one review to you all. In comparison to the brighter colors, the pastel colors are not very much pigmented, but the colors are definitely blendable. So I will very soon show you guys a look with this. Let's do a look with the palette. Stay tuned. First, I will take Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Sun Beige and a flat concealer brush to start with my eyes, and I always do my eyes and the brows first, so as there is no mess, or so as I can clean any fallout from the eyeshadow colors. It is very easy to do the eyes first and then move on to the rest of the face. I am applying the foundation, Fit Me foundation, in all the problematic areas on my eyes, so as to conceal and create a perfect base for eyeshadow application. Next, I'll be using a buffing brush. This buffing brush is from Maybelline. I will use the brush to blend the foundation and set everything in place. Remember, if you are going for brighter colors, do not set the eyelid with a loose powder or any kind of powder, because if you do not set with any kind of powders, it becomes very easy to apply your eyeshadow for a more colorful look, and it will help your eyeshadow pop out. Always use an eyeshadow base or an eyeshadow primer. I'll be using the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. First, I will take a green eyeshadow, and with the help of a small fluffy brush, I will pack my colors on my crease. Then with a fluffy blending brush, I will blend out the green color to soften out any edges and blend it out and make it look seamless and fine. Next, I'll be taking an algae green color and pack it on top of my crease where I have previously done the green color. So to amplify the colors together and mix it well together so as to give a nicer shade on my crease, I will take the same fluffy blending brush and blend the two colors together so as there are no sharp edges and the colors are seamless and fine. Next, I will do a cut crease with the help of Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair and a small flat concealer brush, which is very much useful in doing cut creases like this. Next, I'll be taking the green shimmer shade, and with the help of a small flat brush, I'll be placing the green shimmer shade on the top of my lids. Remember never to drag a color on your lids. Always place the color so as there is no fallout and the colors are placed very perfectly. Next, I'll be taking a red color and will blend on my lower lash line like this. Next, I'll be taking Maybelline Colossal Bold eyeliner and do a cat eye like this. Next, I will line my inner and outer waterlines with TS Beauty Kajal. This is one of my favorite kajal pencils that I've ever used. It's very affordable and chic. Next, I'll be using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is one of the best drugstore mascaras ever, and these define your lashes very well, like it just did mine on my lower lashes, and I love it for that. Next, I'll be using PAC eyelashes in 57. These are perfect fit for my eyes. My eyes are done, so let's complete the whole look. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I hope you have liked what I have tried to do here. I tried to recreate a Kylie Jenner look which is very famous on Pinterest. I saw it from there, I took inspiration from there, and I tried to recreate it. Tried to recreate this look. Make sure to like my channel, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push the thumbs up button and also the bell icon, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.